up there, guys? I am on my way to St. Pete. I just replaced the clutch, did everything. This bike's completely tuned up, it's ready to rip. As you can see, pulling great right now. No slipping. Before I was getting 4th and 5th slip. Now we got no slip. She's a happy bike. As much as everybody wants me to drive like a dick because it's Saturday, I'm just gonna cruise 65 all the way there and enjoy the ride. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. I have no intentions of trying to keep up with all these people and do all that craziness. We're just gonna 65 it and cruise. I don't want to push the bike too hard until I'm positive it's good to go. I'm having illusions, all this confusion's driving me mad inside. I'm having illusions, all this confusion's fucking me up in my mind. I'm having illusions, all this confusion's driving me mad inside. I'm having illusions, all this confusion's fucking me up in my mind. Oh. Oh, looks like Joe might be here. I can hear one of my exhaust gaskets leaking a little bit, so apparently I didn't tighten one of them up enough. It's not horrible, but I can hear it. What's up, bro? Oh, she's hot. She's a little on the heated side. Hey, guy.
Yeah, motorcycles, jet skis. I see a little Kenny Powers in you.
Kenny fucking Powers, bro. What's up?
That's what I thought of when I saw the jet ski. I was like,
Kenny Powers, bro. Hell yeah.
Think I'm coming down. You know I think I'm coming down. Yes, I think I'm coming down. You know I think I'm coming down.
Oh, we eating out here tonight, boys. Yo, parking lot, yeet. Yeet. Hey, bro, give us a good yeet with the drone. Yeet. Yeah. Full send with no repercussion, bro. Yeet.
On Cracker Island it was born, to the collective of the dawn. planting seeds at night to grow a made-up paradise where the truth was auto-tuned and its sadness I consumed into my formats every day. In the end I had to pay. In the end I had to pay. In the end I had to pay. Nothing more to say. They told themselves to be a cult. They didn't know its many strategies. They taught themselves to be a cult. They didn't know its many strategies. On Cracker Island it was raised by the collective from the grave. It only came out at night. It ate up their paradise where the truth was auto-tuned and its sadness I consumed into my formats every day. In the end I had to pay. Out there on my silver lake. In the end it will be great. I'm like a ship between the tides. I held on, I survived. They told themselves to be a cult. They didn't know its many strategies. They taught themselves to be a cult. They didn't know its many strategies. On Cracker Island it will die. Join the collective in the sky and on a shining boat of light go up to paradise where the truth is auto-tuned and its sadness I consume into my formats every day. In the end I had to pay. In the end I had to pay. In the end I'll be okay. Nothing more to say. Nothing more to say. Nothing more to
Well,
Yep, Audi 5000,
safe,
bro.
bro.
Hell yeah. Yep. Blub, 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 blub. Oh man. Tell you what, Ron's bike looks good. Alright, I'm out of here. Say goodbye to everybody. Let's get underway here. Alright guys. Yep. Yeah, bro. Sorry, clutch hand. I can't release it.
Oh, shit, we have
All good. Alright, well that was fun. Let's get underway here. This dude in my lane? Of course he is. Why wouldn't he be? the road again. Let me adjust my backpack here. That was a good ride, man. Good time out here tonight. Got a long ride back to Tampa though. Cruising. 4th gear, Merc down. All right, let's get up to speed here. Pulling, she's pulling, baby. Feels good to have that new clutch on here. Well, that was a fun night. I just got back to Tampa here. I think I'm gonna go down. They actually have really good burritos at my 7-Eleven. I think I'm gonna stop there and get a burrito before I go home. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna come into my neighborhood at night because this bike is very loud and I'm not trying to be a dick to all my neighbors. Not trying to be a dick. So we're gonna downshift here. I don't even know what time it is, but I'm gonna pull in, pull the clutch, and then kill the motor and just glide right on into my driveway. So we'll give it one big hammer, just like that. Kill it. Glide right in. Headlight still on. Boop. Just like so. Just like that. Neutral out. Boom. Welcome home. Welcome home, big guy. Alright. Turn that on. Take this off. I think, honestly, probably gonna lock the bike down out here, so I'll leave it in gear and I'll turn it off. We're just gonna leave the bike out here for the night because it's not supposed to rain tomorrow. So yeah, hope you guys had fun. I'm home for the night. Yee.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.